Hey y'all, I am back. Welcome back to my channel. It has been so long. I'm so sorry. I have been incredibly busy and I apologize. I truly apologize from the bottom of my heart. Like, I've been wanting to tape for the longest, but I just could not find time. Well, I have time, so here I am. Once again, thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for the support. But guess what time it is? Keto Krate time. Hey, so this is the August Keto Krate. I got it in the mail. Want to show y'all what I have. It's been so tempting not to eat everything in this box because I can't eat it up because then I won't have anything to show y'all. So if you are new to my channel, Keto Krate always sends me their box for the month. And you too can have your own Keto Krate. You can use my code. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can use the code MissChay84 for $10 off of your first Keto Krate. So after I show you what's in here, if you're a snacker or if not, if you just like keto snacks, keto food, keto treats, this is the one for you, Keto Krate. So I'm gonna show y'all what's inside. Stay tuned. Don't leave me, I'm back. Hey, let's get it. Okay, so before I start, let's get into these okay, cheers. Seriously? Y'all, I just pulled my entire earring out. Give me a second, jeez. Okay, so like I was saying, let's get into these braids, new hair. Who this? So, this is 1B27. The wonderful ladies at hair_you_go, hair you go. They're on Instagram. They're located in Frisco, Texas, y'all. These are the knotless small braids. They touch the top of my butt. Love them. Took them 4 hours. I started at 8, ended at around 12:30 because they had to do some cleaning up of the braids. Do you love them? Look at that. Yes. Anyways, so let's get into this Keto Krate, shall we? All right, so we open it up and the first thing we have is these keto. These are the Cookitos. Ha, get it? Cookitos by Thin Slim Foods. Y'all, I had to stop myself from eating these up. But once again, I had to show y'all, you know, the product. So they're super good. Like, they're really good. They're crunchy. They're not soft bake. Y'all know how I feel about soft bake. Not a big fan. Look, I got chocolate all over my... Is it gonna focus for me? Oh, nope, not gonna focus. Is it? No, it's not. Come on. I done paid enough for this camera. It better focus. Shoot, I don't have time. Anyways, they're really good. Not too crunchy, not too soft. Not gonna eat the whole bag. Then we have Keto Snack Chips. This is chili lime. See it right here? By Genius Gourmet. I have chocolate all over my hands just from going in that bag. So one bag is 2 net carbs, y'all. You know what I could do with these? Nachos, duh, or just snack on them. Chili lime. So I'm guessing I might make nachos with these. They look really good. I hope the flavor is there. I hope the crunch is there. I love a good crunchy snack. Okay, so then next we have Hilo Oso Jalapeno Crispy Pepper Jack Cheese and Almonds Snack Mix. I think in my last box, I had their tortilla chips. They were okay. They weren't like the best. It was a weird aftertaste. I can't even much explain it, but so these are pepper jack cheese, you know, like the crunchy cheese, and almond snack mix. I already know I'm gonna kill this. I already know, killing it. So there are 3 net carbs for the entire package. 3 net carbs. Keto snacks are winning, I'm telling you. So next, I'm kind of hesitant with this one because the last bar I had in the keto box, the Keto Krate, it was like banana nut muffin and it had that artificial banana taste. Hated it. I took 1 bite and I was like, I'm good on you. I'm good. So this is Hungry Buddha Keto Bar, Keto Done Clean, Lemon Blueberry. So I don't know, I'm hesitant. Let's see what the macros are looking like. 18 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fiber. So that's already what, 5? So 5 net carbs for the entire bar. I'm hesitant, y'all. I don't know about a good bar. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully this lemon blueberry will do me right. So next we have, ooh, from Genius Gourmet, same people who have the chips, a keto shake, chocolate flavor. So shake it up. I'm gonna chill this. I gotta put this in the refrigerator. The serving size is 1 drink and it's 5 total carbs, 1 gram of fiber. So the whole thing is 4 net carbs for this. Yeah, that's pretty good. It has an MCT blend. You see that on the side, MCT blend, 1 gram of sugar, 6 grams of protein. I'll probably drink this in the morning. I mean, cause during the week, I'm really not a big breakfast person. So I'll either just drink a lot of water or drink my coffee with my heavy whipping cream and my stevia, and I'll be good till about 12, 1 o'clock. So this would be a good replacement. Or I can put this in my coffee, my iced coffee as a creamer, be good. You know what I'm saying? Y'all learn from me, hear me out. So next we have Crazy Go Nuts. I've seen these at Kroger. The coconut ones they have are fire. They have a coconut flavor. Oh my gosh, I love them. So this is the low carb buffalo. Clearly the coconut one is not that low carb, so it's like a treat. This is the buffalo. What is that? What is that? Oh, something. Oh, there it is. Hold on, y'all. I think I see it. Did I get it? Damn it. Y'all, when I tell y'all I don't like flying bug, it's not even a bug. I'm being extra. It's like a little gnat. They know I don't like them. So anyways, I was trying to show y'all these Crazy Go Nuts Buffalo Low Carb Walnuts. I love walnuts. Walnuts and macadamia nuts are my favorite. So this is the buffalo flavor. It is 4 net carbs. For 1 serving is 1.25 ounces. Pretty sure I'm gonna eat this. I have a snacking problem. I eat all of it. So anyways, these are low carb. This is the buffalo flavor. You can find these at Kroger, I know for sure. Then this treat here, they're not Oreos, but let's just call them a chocolate sandwich cookie. So this is Catalina Crunch. It's a row of cookies. I already tried these, so they were very good. Let me show you what they look like. So it's a whole pack. Can you see it? So let's bring it out. Is it gonna focus for me? There we go. Chocolate sandwich cookie. 2 of them. 2 cookies is 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5 net carbs, because you have 11 carbs total, 3 grams fiber, 3 grams allulose, 5 net carbs for 2 cookies. So one night I took these, sidebar, I dunked them in some, what was it? Simply almond milk. Y'all, I think that's the best almond milk I've ever had. I'm not gonna eat this right now because I need to eat dinner. But when I tell you that almond milk was so good, it was just like so clean and just, oh, it was so good. Just, so good. So yeah, these are like an Oreo, but not really. So don't get your mind set that you think you're gonna eat an Oreo. But these are Catalina Crunch. I've seen Catalina cereal in Whole Foods. It's nothing compared to, I done drew a blank, y'all. Whatever. So next we have this Simply Delish natural vanilla flavored instant pudding. I already know what I'm gonna do with this. I have some strawberries that I'm going to hollow out. I'm gonna mix this with some cream cheese, some whipped cream cheese, and I'm going to fill the strawberries with that mixture. Oh, I know it's gonna be so good. Such a great sweet snack. So this, a quarter of the package has about 4 net carbs. So, but I'm gonna use the entire package, and I'm not gonna eat every strawberry, but this is gonna be good. Now we have Just Cheese. I've seen these in Tom Thumb. This is the grilled cheese flavor. You see it? There you go. There are 2 in here. 2 of these little cheese snackers. Let's see. 2 of the bars. Oh yeah, there's less than 1 carb in this entire packet. Okay. Cheers, get it together. That'll stay on the floor. And then last but not least, some more keto cookies. These are chocolate chip, 3 net carbs per serving. These are cute. I've never seen these before, like ever. So, they contain almonds, milk, coconut, and eggs. Let's see what we're working with here. Told y'all this is gonna be a quick unboxing. Oh, I see it, I see it. It's the gnat. He is a beast, y'all. He doesn't even care that I'm unpacking this food. What the hell? I don't like him. There it is. Oh, there it is. Now, once I start this review, he's gonna show up again. I already know. And how do I? Oh, there it is. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Just land on the cabinet. Just land on the counter. Land in the box. I'm waiting on you because you are a fool. I don't like you at all. You're a big bully. But anyways, what was I don't even, oh, the last thing, these keto cookies. So these are perfect keto. And these are 2 cookies inside, 17 total carbs, 4 fiber, and 5 sugar alcohol. So what is that, 9? So what is that? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's 8 net carbs. Yep, I sure did use my fingers to count. Sure did. So these are the keto cookies. I don't want to open them, but you see what they are. Anyways, the fact that I'm defeated by a gnat upsets me. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching this review. I apologize. I'm sure y'all are cracking up at me. Whatever. I don't like bugs. I don't care how little or how big they are. They're annoying AF. Y'all, I'm gonna try my hardest to continue to. You see me looking around like I am so annoyed by this gnat. I wish I could kill it on camera and show y'all my victory slam, but I can't. Anyways, like, follow, subscribe. I appreciate it so much. I've been putting a couple reels up on Instagram as well, so go take a look. Follow me on Instagram. Appreciate that. I'll be back. Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? Ah! I got it, y'all. I got it. There it is. I got him. Oh my gosh. Now what? Did I get it? Did I get it? I got it, y'all. I got it. There it is. I got him. Oh my gosh. Now what? I don't play. Anyways, bye y'all.